Hey guys, welcome back to another Obtoys custom video. Today I'm going to be showing you my Xenomorph hybrid T-Rex. We're going to be using this alien queen and also this T-Rex from Mattel, and we're going to be putting these pieces together and coming up with a whole new creation. Now if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I love working with blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints, so make sure you stick around to see what happens when I turn out the lights. I'm going to go ahead and sit back and let you guys watch my process, and I'll check back with you in a bit. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, be sure to smash that like button for me right now. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, I make all sorts of customs here, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along in the fun. Right here I'm using blacklight paint, and now I'm using some glow-in-the-dark paint, so this thing has a lot of different colors that'll show through when I turn out the lights. Now earlier I painted all these things gold, but even I decide to change my mind from time to time. So I wanted to make these silver, but I have more little details I want to add. And speaking of little details, I am going to spend another couple hours adding a lot of little details to this thing, but I'm not going to make you guys wait around much longer. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the final results. But before we do, we always got to go back to where we started. And here we go. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Hit that like button if you do, and leave me a comment down below. I love getting feedback from you guys. Alright guys, we've come to that part in the video where I hit the lights. Time to see what this thing looks like glowing in the dark. Here we go. Here's just a few of the other customs I've made on the channel. If you haven't seen everything, be sure to check out the playlist above. Well guys, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did putting it together for you. Also, I wanted to mention to you guys I have an online toy store called shopobtoys.com. We got all sorts of products there for you guys to check out, not just Jurassic items, but we also have tons of other toy lines there. And all the support you guys give there on that website goes to the support of the channel here on YouTube, so I really appreciate all the purchases you guys make there and help out. Also, special thanks to all my Obtoys members. Really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving the channel. If you want to become a member, click on that link above. Alright guys, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, Obtoys out.